When the sun goes down. Hmm. You know, guys, my mobile now is my old mobile is broken. So, I earn money in my Patreon. The other is I buy mobile second hand. I'm not buy original or brand new because it's expensive. So I just buy someone. See, he sell his mobile and I buy like that because don't have money. What I am doing of my life. And yeah, guys, the people who come in my Patreon, I want to thank you personally. Because I finish process my births. No. So thank you so much. Hmm. So thank you so much, guys, to coming in my Patreon to give me $5, and I save the money, $5, and I go embassy and I buy my mobile. And now my next purpose for my money, if there is someone come to my Patreon, I will get birth certificate of my son in the hospital. And if I can get finish his birth certificate in the hospital, my plan I get his passport. Then the if I can save money na also, will buy ticket na. I buy ticket and I buy a pay the exit visa so we can go in the Philippines. So like that, guys. Okay, guys. Well, guys, thank you so much, everyone. I want to tell you guys that I edit my YouTube. Yeah, I have subscriber, but delete the video, and now I need to earn again 4,000 viewers in my YouTube. Please help me to share my YouTube so I can get the 4,000 views, and I need to apply. Really, I want to monetize my YouTube again. That's why I delete the old video, then I upload my old video. Yeah, I save them and I upload again. So I'm sorry if I upload again because I want to earn viewers. But I don't know if YouTube he accept me. He monetize my YouTube again. Not now, need to apply in August. August 5, I apply monetization for YouTube again. So inshallah YouTube he allowed me to earn in the YouTube because I really need to earn in the YouTube because I don't have work. I am a house mom, and I cannot work because I I just take care my son, my Hassan. Yeah, he is big boy na now, 2 years old, but he is still breastfeeding me. He is still breastfeed me. I don't know the English, my guys. Look, my guys, my baby. He's old boy na now. He not baby anymore. Ay, my mobile is too much hot. I will cancel this video.